Welcome to the video on remote setup. In this video we show you how to program the first diamond sense and the first wall switch to the shuttle motor. We start with the diamond sense remote control. Unscrew the back with the supplied screwdriver. Slide the case to open it. Insert the batteries. Select a desired channel using channel minus or channel plus. Use a pin or a pen and press the button 3 times and keep it pressed the 4th time for 5 seconds. The green LED light will flash. Within 10 seconds, press the open button on the remote control. The remote control is now paired on the selected channel. Check this by pressing the open or close button on the remote control. In the following steps we show you how to program the wall switch to the shuttle motor. Using a flat screwdriver, push open the tabs on the side. Insert the battery. Use a pin or a pen and press the button 3 times and keep it pressed the 4th time for 5 seconds. The green LED light will flash. You can choose from 2 channels. Select the left or right channel. Now press the open button on the wall switch within 10 seconds. The wall switch is now linked to the set channel. Check this by pressing the open or close button on the remote control.